Kutaisi is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world and the third most populous city in Georgia after Tbilisi and Batumi. Situated 221 kilometers west of Tbilisi, on the Rioni River, it is the capital of the western region of Imereti. Historically one of the major cities of Georgia, it served as the political center of Caucasus in the Middle Ages as the capital of the Kingdom of Abkhazia and the Kingdom of Georgia. From October 2012 to December 2018, Kutaisi was the seat of the Parliament of Georgia as an effort to decentralize the Georgian government. Archaeological evidence indicates that the city functioned as the capital of the Caucasus in the 6th to 5th centuries BC. The Cathedral of the Dormition, or Bagrati Cathedral, is an 11th century cathedral in Kutaisi. A masterpiece of medieval Georgian architecture, the cathedral suffered heavy damage throughout centuries and was reconstructed to its present state through a gradual process starting in the 1950s. A distinct landmark in the scenery of central Kutaisi, the cathedral rests on the Rioni Hill. It is considered one of the 4 great cathedrals of the Georgian Orthodox world. Bagrati Cathedral was built in the early years of the 11th century, during the reign of King Bagrat III, due to which it was called Bagrati.